Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another crypto trading analysis video, where we're going to take a closer look at Bitcoin and Ethereum prices and what is going with crypto markets today. If you're new to this channel, my name is Alex and I help people learn, adopt, master, and profit from cryptocurrencies and NFTs. And in today's video, we'll do just that. So sit back, relax, grab a cold one, and let's enjoy. Okay guys, right now we're looking at Bitcoin USDT 1 hour chart, and as you see, that's something very unique is happening on the charts, and that is nothing. For the first time in years, Bitcoin haven't been so quiet. So as you see, not much price movement for the entirety of this week, and we are still waiting for something to kickstart the movement of the prices. So why is that? Well, the reason is simple. FTX exchange really dropped prices of cryptos, Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies, especially Solana, where FTX and Alameda Research was invested quite heavily. So markets are looking pretty fearful to do anything, and that's because of two combinations. First, the price for the Bitcoin is very low, and that signifies that for crypto in general, that could be a bottom. It could go just a little bit lower, of course, depending on the news and what's happening, maybe $15,000, $14,000. But basically, that's a fair price for Bitcoin, and that's a low price for Bitcoin. And that's why no one is really selling. So the reason nobody is buying is because everyone is afraid of certain news. Because when huge companies like FTX and Alameda Research fall down, they tend to bring a lot of other companies with them to go down as well. And that could cause another sell-off. So nobody really wants to buy in and then see their money going down. So everyone is waiting to see how other companies react, how other cryptocurrencies react, and what is going to happen with that. So that's the reason for not buying. But in reality, if Bitcoin was really that oversold and too expensive, overpriced, people would be selling it regardless, right? Because that would signifies that people are taking profits and they're selling and they're getting out of the market. They are not doing that, and that says that it's a fair price for Bitcoin and it's very bullish. So there could be these big crashes coming up. It's highly likely. I heard the news that Genesis as well filed for bankruptcy, another billion-dollar company. So things are happening, but the price really don't want to go that lower anymore. So that's a very bullish sign for Bitcoin by itself. So what we can expect for the prices to be happening in the next couple of days? Well, if no big news are going to come out in the next week, this week, I would say that price is quite likely to break above the resistance area, resistance lines, and start to climbing back up to $20,000. That's a very likely possibility. Of course, if we get more bearish crypto news, more exchanges that are going bankrupt, for example, that could cause another sell-off. So we have to wait and see. And if no news are coming out, nothing is on the radar for potential bankruptcy, this could mean that Bitcoin is going to reverse and start going up in price. Of course, keeping into account that if the entire financial market is not going to drop, because if it's going to drop, then it might take Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies with it as well. So that's what we need to do. What we need to do is just wait and see and trade other cryptocurrencies, and that's why we've been looking into some new launches and smaller altcoins to look into and find good gems to trade either short term, so just get in, make some money and get out, or find something that could be held for a long time and could potentially make a lot of profits in the next bull run, which could be happening in 2024 and 2025, because that's basically historically what's been done based on Bitcoin halving. So that's what's happening with Bitcoin. Now let's take a closer look at Ethereum. And as you see, Ethereum might have a higher percentage fluctuations, but pretty much nothing is happening again. So all of the main cryptocurrencies are following Bitcoin and just waiting for something to happen. And it's very likely that if nothing bad happens, no bad news come out, it will start to slowly climb back up. So with that being said, I want to mention one more thing before finishing this video. And we've seen a lot of articles and a lot of people are taking out their money out of exchanges. And as a popular saying goes, not your wallet, not your money. Well, not your keys, not your wallet. And basically that means that you should have your cryptocurrency in your own wallets. And that's the best way to keep them safe from these exchanges going bankrupt. And once exchanges start to be regulated and assets will start to be protected, that's when it becomes more and more safer to use them and not have these fiascos as was happening with Celsius, Luna, FTX, and some others as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what are you thinking is going to be happening with the markets, and as well let me know any cryptocurrencies you're looking into, maybe new launches, maybe even some shitcoins that have a good potential short term and long term. And with that being said, talk to you next time.